Magandang araw mga ka-OFE at ayan, nandito na naman tayo bumibisita ng entrepreneur dito sa SG o yung tinatawag nating SGpreneur. And ayan, nandito tayo sa Perpetual Hope International Academy. And kasama natin si Miss Gladys, ang owner ng PHIA. So, Miss Gladys, ano nga ba ang personalized learning?
Yeah, good afternoon po. Ay, good evening pala. And also, now today is our racial harmony celebration, kaya naka-ganito kami. So, perfect opportunity then to promote sa ating mga kababayan. Yeah, personalized learning is more of recognizing yung individuality ng bawat bata at the same time celebrating their uniqueness. So we know that the curriculum itself is not a one-size-fits-all curriculum. So it's something that we recognize that every student have their own learning style, have their own pace for learning, and we don't want them to grow up na always comparing themselves to others. So yun yung personalized learning in a way that the teachers will also attend to you based on your questions, based on your challenges, and not in a classroom base, but more on a one-to-one approach.
Ayun, so talagang matututukan ng mga bata,
Yes.
di ba? So, dahil sa ganitong way of learning, paano nyo nakita yung impact sa kanila?
So dahil ganon, we saw na yung mga bata, they celebrate yung individuality even with their classmates and friends. Kasi, di ba, we don't expect na all 8 years old will have the same capacity, or it could be that some are gifted or some are maybe late bloomer. Ganon. So, nakikita namin na yung mga bata, because of this individualized and mastery approach, they learn first. They really learn before really progress to another level. So, ang kagandahan is they will not compare themselves to others. They have their own race to complete, and they're happy for their friends. They celebrate every achievement with others also.
Ayan, so dahil napag-usapan natin yung impact, no? Syempre tatawagin natin yung PHIA's very first scholar. So si Shine, tatawagin natin.
Yay! My twin.
Yeah. Yeah, so Shine, how did PHIA help you in getting your scholarship?
I think the university saw me as someone who would contribute to their school because of my unique experiences. So in PHIA, I got a lot of opportunities to try different things, and that helped me find my passion, what I'm good at, and helped me discover what I wanted to do in the future. So with all those unique experiences, like I did film, I dabbled in volleyball, I did creative writing, among other things. I think I showed to the universities that I am a well-rounded student, but also a passionate student.
Ayan, so mga ka-OFE, di ba, may scholar na ang PHIA. And para sa buong kwento ng PHIA, abangan nyo yan sa OF Experience every Thursday sa page natin dito sa OFE. So Overseas Filipino Entrepreneur.